Yes, I know it's a flashlight, but I thought you might be interested because I've had a flashlight for years. I've bought one from Asda about 15 years ago. It was a metal one, and it worked brilliantly, easy to operate, and it finally packed up about a week or so ago. And my wife bought me this because she knew I wanted another flashlight for when I go up in the attic, or if I go somewhere where I need a flashlight. And I thought, yeah, you might be interested in this little baby. This cost about £20. My other one cost a tenner from, like I say, from Asda, and it came with batteries. Yeah, £10 I thought was really good. So what we're going to do is do the unboxing. I don't know what they're for. What are they for? Oh, 26,650 battery tube. Really? Ah, I see. So you've got to assemble it. So what's it say? Includes components. Components? One-timed flashlight. Oh, right, comes with battery, so that's good. According to that. Oh, battery holder, sorry. Battery tube. It's that. Battery tube comes with two of them. Two different sizes. Oh, yeah. Well, that's weird. I have no idea what they're for. Operation guide, description pile requires three AA's. So it doesn't come with batteries. And that is quite heavy. So it might already have batteries in it. Let's see. No. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. That's got a funny sort of bubbly feel to it. You can see that. Yeah, that is weird. I can't believe how heavy that is. It says hot, so that means that gets hot. Oh yeah, apparently you can adjust it for range or something, brightness, and I don't know. Have a look, play about a bit. But first, we need some batteries. What are these for? Any idea? Let me know in the comments. I've no idea what they're for. Must be to go in here. No, it doesn't, does it? Look. It doesn't do that. I will read the instructions at some point. But for now, I'm going to get 3 AA's. Right, 3 AA's. I like using these batteries. I've been buying these for a couple of years now. I did do a review on them. I'm pretty sure I've done a review on these. I'm not sure if I made a video about that. I can't remember. So I'm guessing this is how these go. Could be totally wrong. So I would imagine that would go. Did that go in that way? I can't remember now. Soon find out because it won't fit if it's wrong. Oh, might be right. See if it works. Yes, I'm right. Oh, Jesus, that is bright. Now, does that do it? It's supposed to do something, isn't it? What else can do? So it just goes on and off. Got a nice strap to it, by the way. So let's say Ricky's S1600. So yeah, I know it's just. Oh, that's how it works. Oh, look at that. You see that? Well, that's quite easy to work actually, and it's not going to come out, is it? Wherever you set, it's going to stay there. Oh, that's very good. Right, so that's how you do your focus thing. Right, I'll tell you what I'll do. Once I finish playing about it, what I will do now is I will have to read the instructions because I still don't know what these are for. Right, so I need to find out what these are for. Battery tubes. I know the battery tubes, but I've no idea what they do. So I'm going to read the instructions and get back to you, and then what I will do some night testing. But first opinions, or first faults I should say, not opinions. First, I'll start again. First faults, very unusual design, the way it works, but it does feel solid, doesn't feel as though it's going to break, and it does work. I mean, look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. That is weird. So with that, give me a bit of time to have a little read up. Well, actually, when I click my fingers, I can click it. I can't click them. Yeah, there you go. When I click my fingers, it will be ready and done and sorted. I found out what these are for, and for different size batteries. And I should have realised when it said battery tube. yeah, and it's got the numbers on it. So different size batteries, and I should have realised anyway, because I've had something like this in the past where I could put different size batteries in, and I thought, well, that's a clever idea. And also I found out that this is not just a torch, and I'm going to show you what I mean right now. So we have torch, yeah, we have, you know, focus, wide beam if you like, but also if you press the button gently, yeah, you can do Morse code, you can do strobe. That's not me pressing it, so you just press it and it does strobe, and press it again, it does different type of strobe. Again, I'm not doing it, yeah. I thought that's quite good actually. And then we're back to torch. Also, I believe it has two different brightnesses, that one and that one. It goes a bit dimmer, I think. That one now, that one. So I'm watching in the background. Yeah, I thought, that's really clever. I didn't know it had that. It's only because I've read the manual. I thought, well, it says strobe on it. Where's the strobe? Yeah, just press the button gently and it will swap over to the different modes. So it's a bit more than just an ordinary torch. Also, it has been designed to be virtually indestructible. So if you drop it on the floor, in theory, it shouldn't break. Although, if it lands on anything on that part, it might break. But that is like a solid metal. That is quite heavy. So I've tried it out in my loft, as you can see in my video. And it works extremely well. As you can see, you know, you've got two different modes basically up there. You've got, you know, like a spotlight version, and also you've got wide version. I quite like the wide version because it did light everything up really well. So with that, let me know in the comments whether you think this is a good little gadget. Yeah, I know it's not a real tech. Well, I suppose it is, isn't it? It is a tech, isn't it? Yeah, so let me know if you like this video or not. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Definitely got a good weight to it.